Without a magnetic force field, the solar wind would blast away Earth's atmosphere and water, leaving a dead, arid planet. A lot like Mars. Mars formed just like Earth, but today it's cold and dry with little atmosphere. So why are the two planets now so different? In 2004, NASA sent 2 robot explorers to Mars to find out. The rovers, named Spirit and Opportunity, explored miles of the Martian surface. They confirmed that Mars is a dry and hostile desert with only 1% the atmosphere of Earth. But they did find evidence of water in the past. Mars was not always a desert.
We have found compelling evidence that water was once beneath the surface, came to the surface, and evaporated away. We also see in a few places ripples preserved of the sort that are formed when water flows over sand. So not only did water exist below the surface, it flowed across the surface.
If Mars had water once, it probably also had a thick atmosphere. So what happened? We can see that Mars once had active volcanoes, so it had a hot interior at some point. And because it was made of the same stuff as Earth, it would have had a hot iron core, surrounded by liquid metal at its center. So it should have had a magnetic field too. The question is, where did it go?
Early in the planet's history, Mars apparently had a strong magnetic field. And it was probably caused in the same way as it is on Earth. But Mars is a smaller planet than Earth. It's going to lose its heat more rapidly as a consequence. And what that means is that liquid core can freeze solid. Freeze the core solid, the convection will stop. The convection stops, the magnetic field goes away.
As the magnetic shield died, the solar wind blasted away the atmosphere and the water evaporated. Mars became a cold, barren planet.